Hey guys, welcome back to the RS Fabrication channel. I do a Toolbox tour update here. Added that DeWalt top chest on there. Just a bunch of light bars and whatnot on top of it. And yeah, let's start here. Right in this drawer, got all my big wrenches. Mostly 3/4 of an inch and up. Some angle wrenches and big adjustables and whatnot. Next drawer down, this is mostly chainsaw tools and Allen keys and whatnot. Most of this is WIA and Wera tools in here. All nice stuff. Next drawer down is random pry bars, a rethread kit, and a weird Black Hawk ratcheting set with interchangeable heads. Over here, pretty much just a junk drawer with random stuff in it, knockout punches, and jigsaw blades and whatnot. There's just random welding pliers and gloves. You get the Mac Tools torque bit set. It's the master kit. And then over here I have most of my pry bars. Some are in the truck. And we get the socket drawer. Mostly the same. Added the mini Mac Tools screwdriver set, pick set, snap-on pick set, some snap-on extensions, a new snap-on roto head ratchet. That one's really nice. Then got off eBay a snap-on 1/4 inch flex head ratchet. Just got this off the Mac truck. Long flex head 1/4 inch with a comfort grip. And mostly all similar stuff. Alright, so next drawer here we got standard wrenches in here. Mostly all the same. And just metric in here. With some of the big Craftsman picks up here. And all my nice screwdrivers. Added these nice long SK screwdrivers in here. This is just that cobalt setting in. Put in a impact driver into the foam. And then down here we have some channel locks. And then just added added the 53-piece Mac hex bit set. And then this is normally where I have a bunch of grinders, but they're up in a different bin for now. And then just extra ratchets and extensions. Pliers. Just large snap-on Flankfire Plus wrenches. Added the WIA torque set. Everything else is pretty much the same. 1/2 inch drive in here. Still mostly all the same. And then hammer drawer. And finally just die grinder, Metabo grinder, Makita grinder, and a snap-on air hammer. Just get one more lift of everything. And yeah, so there you guys go. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.